Good morning, everyone. In our today's English online class, we are going to do worksheet number 59, and it is related to the term editing. Editing means to find errors. And from where we have to find the error? Here we are having a passage, and there are errors in every line. Okay, so we have to read it thoroughly, then we have to find out the error. So let's start. Respected madam, here in this we are having no blank, it means there is no error. Next line is I am the student of 6th class. Student 1, it has been done for us. Here we are finding that I am a student will come, and it has been done for us. Now the next line, I begs to say. So we know that the error lies here. We will underline the error. Okay, I beg to say. So the correct word will come here. I beg to say. I beg to say that my father are a poor man. We know that we are talking about our father. So my father is at the place of are. Which correct word will come here? My father is a poor man. He works on a factory. अब तो फैक्ट्री के अंदर काम करते हैं ना, फैक्ट्री के ऊपर तो नहीं ना. सो ही वर्क्स एट द प्लेस ऑफ ऑन preposition. The correct preposition will come here, in. Okay, class, here we are underlining the incorrections, and later on you can mention these incorrections here. Okay, in a factory his salaries is rupees 4,000 only. His salary. Okay, at the place of salaries, his salary word will come here. We lives in a rented house. Now we are talking about plural, so s or es will not be applied according to the present simple present tense. So we live in a rented house. हम किराए के मकान में रहते हैं. So my father can't pays my. So we know that can is applied here, and can is a modal, and after modal we will apply first form of the verb, not s or es. So pays is wrong. So what will come? Pay. Pay word will come here. My fees you are request to. अब आर के बाद थर्ड फॉर्म, you are requested. You will mention here requested. You are requested. Okay, you are requested to grant me full fee concession. To grant me full fee concession. Here we are having the line is absolutely correct, so that is why we are having no space here. I shall be thankful to you. Now class, when you are reading this line, अब आपको लगेगा मैम ये लाइन तो बिल्कुल करेक्ट है, बट दैट इज़ वाई आई वॉज अर्जिंग कि आपको ये पैसेज, कोई भी पैसेज हो एडिटिंग ओमिशन के लिए, यू हैव टू रीड इट थॉरली. अब आप देखिए यहाँ पर थैंकफुल की स्पेलिंग रॉन्ग है ना, सिंगल एल विल कम. सो thankful, single L will come. When you add full word with any other word, the last L will be omitted. Single L will come. I shall be thankful to you. अब your obediently, again students will say ma'am ये तो ठीक है, but no, that we know that yours obediently, here s will be applied without apostrophe s. Okay, some students they apply apostrophe, but no apostrophe will come when you will write yours. Yours obediently, Arun Kumar. Now here is mentioning of name, but we know that Arun A will be capital, and जो surname होता है उसका भी first letter will be capital, and here we are having K small. So you will write it here Kumar, K capital. Okay, like this. So this was your part 1 of worksheet number 59. Now let's move for part 2. Now class, we find that this passage is relating to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ji. Now let's see what it is presenting before us. November 14th is celebrating as. Here we are finding an error is celebrated, but the first one is already done. So let's move forward. As Children's Day, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Now we are talking about singular noun. So here where is implied? So we have to write Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was. Okay? Was born on this day in 1889. He was the, now let's read the next line first. He was the great statesman or multi-dimensional personality. Now, he was a. So you will apply article here a. He was a great statesman, बहुत अच्छे प्रवक्ता थे, और मल्टी डायमेंशनल. अब और के प्लेस पर क्या आएगा? एंड will come here. And multi-dimensional personality. He like. Now we are talking about the past, so at the place of the verb like we will apply he liked. Liked. क्या पसंद था उन्हें? He liked to play with children. They enjoyed their company. अब बच्चों के लिए दे वर्ड आया, दैट इज ओके. इंजॉयड सेकेंड फॉर्म इज ऑल्सो ओके. देयर कंपनी, बट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ सिंगल पर्सन, सो दे इंजॉयड हिज कंपनी. एट द प्लेस ऑफ देयर यू विल गो विथ दे इंजॉयड हिज कंपनी. ओके क्लास, हिज कंपनी वेरी मच. बहुत इंजॉय करते थे बच्चे उनकी कंपनी को. ही यूज्ड टू मीट मच चिल्ड्रन इन हिज बर्थडे. अब यहाँ पर काउंटेबल नाउन, चिल्ड्रन काउंटेबल नाउन है, सो मच के प्लेस पर क्या आएगा? मैनी. एट द प्लेस ऑफ मच यू विल अप्लाई मैनी. ही यूज्ड टू मीट मैनी चिल्ड्रन इन हिज बर्थडे, नहीं ऑन हिज बर्थडे. द करेक्ट preposition that will come on his birthday. They called him Chacha Nehru. So this was your page number 149 related to your worksheet 59. I hope now you have come to know how to find out error and how to sort it out. Thanks for watching the video. Keep on practicing. Good.